Ready, start. The Supreme Court on Wednesday tested the role of Aadhaar in the special intensive revision within bracket SIR bracket close exercise, asking whether a foreigner who has already managed to use the document to access welfare benefits such as subsidized ration should be further allowed to exploit it to gain automatic entry into the electoral roll. The question was posed despite the court having ordered Aadhaar to be included as a double inverted comma 12th document double inverted comma close during the Bihar SIR hearings. Double inverted comma Aadhaar is the creation of a statute. Nobody can dispute the use of Aadhaar card to avail welfare benefits. But suppose a person comes from a neighboring country to India, works as a laborer or a rickshaw puller. He accesses Aadhaar to provide subsidized ration for his children. That is our constitutional ethos and morality. But does it mean that since he has got Aadhaar, he should be made a voter also? Chief Justice of India Surikant asked senior advocate Kapil Sibal, appearing for the petitioners. The query from the bench came shortly after Mr. Sibal opened arguments challenging the very constitutionality of the SIR exercise undertaken by the Election Commission within bracket EC bracket close. Mr. Kapil Sibal said the view, if necessary, might be true in the case of some border states, but it could not be true for states like Kerala and Bihar. After Bihar, the second phase of SIR covers 51 crore people in 12 states and union territories, including Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Kerala, and Pondicherry. Justice Joy Malia Bakshi, the associate judge on the bench, observed that EC has an inherent jurisdiction to verify and vet entries in electoral rolls which are of double inverted comma doubtful integrity double inverted comma close. Enumeration forms are part of that inquiry by the EC to check voters' credibility. Double inverted comma any exclusionary step or attempt taken by the EC is against the constitutional scheme asking the elector to fill up and submit an enumeration form is an exclusionary measure. Don't you think there are millions of illiterate women in this country? Will they not be excluded from the voter list? Any exclusion of a name from the electoral roll must follow a reasonable process. These are the real issues that your lordships need to decide. Double inverted comma close, Mr. Sibal argued. He questioned the power given to booth level officers within bracket BLOs bracket close under the SIR notification to decide whether a person was a citizen or not. The petitioners have argued that SIR was only a thinly veiled double inverted comma citizenship screening double inverted comma close in which the burden of verification has been shifted from the EC to an already registered elector. Justice Bogchi observed that the inherent jurisdiction of the EC2 double inverted comma examine vet verify double inverted comma close documents submitted to it was traceable to section 21 of the representation of the people act and article 326 which required a voter to be a citizen. Mr. Sibal said he was not process challenging the jurisdiction of the EC but the double inverted comma hasty, unreasonable, and exclusionary. double inverted comma, clause adopted by the poll body, double inverted comma, I accept the EC has the power. Revisions have been done before. I am saying the process of the SIR is unreasonable both procedurally and substantively. There is no earthly reason to have to complete the process in 2 months. Double inverted comma close, he clarified. However, Chief Justice Kant asked whether the court could stop the SIR because of doubts that the exercise could not be completed within the specified period.